Hey guys, what's up? It's Courtney and
Anna.
And we are live from Candy Machine Studios, and today we are doing a video for you guys to watch while you were quarantined.
Yes, if you don't already know, Candy Machine is a candy store located in the heart of San Antonio, Texas.
And if you want other ways to connect with us, you can visit us on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and our brand new website.
Yes, so we're going to be doing a video today and constantly uploading other videos so that you stay entertained during quarantine because we all know how boring it is.
So true.
So the first video is going to be about
Pockies! Today we will be doing two Pocky activities. The first Pocky activity is going to be a blind taste test. So we have 4 different flavors to try today. We have the original, the strawberry,
the matcha, and the chocolate banana.
We also have the giant Pockies, which we will be saving for last.
So stay tuned and see at the end of the video what a giant Pocky looks like. Second activity will be doing Pocky Pick Up. So it's kind of like pickup sticks, but we're going to be doing it with Pocky. And in honor of quarantine and making sure we don't have germs, we're going to be using gloves.
Yes.
So now we're going to open the Pocky and we'll be back.
Yes.
Okay, so Courtney's going to be going first. And I have tried all these flavors before, and I think I'm going to be very good at it. And
I've only tried these two, original and strawberry, so we'll see.
We'll see. Okay.
I'm going to close my eyes.
And we did wash our hands before this and everything too, so
Yes.
glove is just an extra precaution. Okay. Open your mouth.
I've never tried this one.
You're right.
Oh my gosh. Matcha?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're also,
It's interesting.
yeah,
It's good.
they stick to their flavors. So if you try this at home, it should be really easy. Let us know if you do. Second one.
Strawberry.
Third one. Open your mouth.
Oh, two. Banana.
And
And chocolate? Are there two?
2 flavors.
Banana and strawberry? No. Give me it again.
Again.
Hit me
Okay.
again.
They're 2 flavors put together.
I don't know, matcha?
This is, you picked the first one. This is the second.
It's just chocolate.
Yeah,
Yeah.
banana chocolate and chocolate.
Oh, banana and chocolate.
Correct. Yes. Okay, so she pretty much got all of them right. Congratulations.
Can I open my eyes?
Yes.
Oh, opening them.
Okay, I'm next.
Which one? Did you put these two together?
Yeah.
Oh.
I just thought it'd be interesting because this is chocolate banana.
Okay. Close your eyes, go. Open.
It's really good.
You've had all these?
I thought I did. I think it's strawberry.
Yeah, strawberry.
That's really good.
Open, oh, it's already open. Bite.
Chocolate.
Chocolate, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Open. Bite.
Matcha. Ooh. It tastes exactly like green tea.
Right?
So if you like green tea, that's a great flavor.
Open.
Banana for sure. Is it 2 bananas?
No.
Banana and chocolate?
No.
Banana and strawberry?
Yes.
Oh, good.
Right?
That's
Good
very
combination.
good. Okay.
Good job. So you got, I would say,
I think you
4
kind
or
of, yeah.
4?
Well, yeah, but you kind of won.
Really?
I think so, because you knew banana and I said banana.
It's just strawberry is so distinct. It tastes so good.
That's so good. Wow.
The green
Ooh.
tea. Can we rank them?
Yeah.
Okay. I like the strawberry one the best just because I like strawberry stuff. I would put banana second, probably matcha third, and then just original chocolate fourth, just because I really like the flavors.
Yeah, so I think my favorite is the matcha because I love green tea, and if you know what green tea ice cream tastes like, it's literally the exact same thing.
So true.
And probably strawberry. It just tastes really good.
Right?
Third, probably banana. It tastes like the really hard banana candies that you would eat when you were little. It tastes like those, and we have those.
Taffy.
Yeah, we have those in our store. And then the chocolate, which the chocolate you can find almost anywhere. So these are probably my favorite.
Definitely.
It's so good too, though.
So now we're going to be doing the Pocky Pick Up Steak Challenge. So we have 5 of each flavors, as you can see.
So you're gonna get it, kind of move it around a little bit,
Perfect.
and let them fall on top of each other.
Perfect.
So you see, like this one's not touching one, so you just want to put it on top. Put that on top.
Perfect. Good job. That was
Okay.
Good job.
Thank you. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take turns grabbing one and making sure that the ones from the top don't fall. If they fall, that person lost. Whoever has the most Pocky sticks at the end wins. Yeah. So like I'll go first.
You lost.
Let's try that again. Okay.
It's from the top or bottom?
I think it's from the bottom.
From the bottom, okay.
Because we want to make sure like the top ones don't fall.
Me first. No. That's a support beam. Oh, this one.
Yeah. That was good.
Yeah.
Okay.
My turn. Good job.
So the cool thing about Pocky is that people use them to like mix tea and coffee, like we said earlier, so they don't really melt. So right now we're touching them and stuff, but they're not melting, which is a really cool bonus.
Good job. Let's see. And if you want to challenge yourself, you can try to go for all the same color or try to get one of each color if you're playing with 5 or 4 different flavors.
Yep.
So far I have 3 different flavors and she has 2 flavors. Or 1 flavor.
Oh no. This can also be. Oh no.
You got this.
I don't. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, I say as long as the top one doesn't fall.
Okay.
So as long as they're not
Fair.
all on
Fair.
the table. Okay.
Oh, you can do that. Okay.
You can also play with more Pocky, which I think might be a little easier.
Does that count?
Sure.
No, you can't.
Yeah, as long as the top one isn't on the
Didn't fall off the chocolate. Can I do this one?
It's the last 2 are like these 2. So as long as one of them isn't on the floor, or else isn't on the table.
Do we get to eat these at the end? No, if you eat them, you don't have any points.
You still see it.
Okay, fine. What the?
Ooh, girl.
Counts. Yes. Okay, let me take this one. Let me take this one.
Awesome. Oh.
Yeah.
Well, no, you lost.
Why?
That's why.
No, because I can just take it down from underneath.
No, that was on the floor.
Where did I take that?
Okay, so
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It should be even.
9.
10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oh, here's a 9. You lost.
We tied.
It was a tie. Take them all.
Okay, so we just finished eating all of the Pocky.
Yes, and we found out that if you mix them together, they taste even better. So I recommend chocolate, strawberry, and banana.
They were so good. And like we promised, last but not least, we're going to open and show y'all what a Pocky giant looks like. So this is chocolate flavor.
Perfect. So open. Ooh, ah. Let's see.
Aw.
The hearts.
Mm-hmm. Oh, shit. I just wanted to show y'all this. If you can see, they're little hearts on the packaging, which is super cute.
Makeup guru.
Cool.
So now moving on to the giant Pocky. So it looks like they're individually packaged. So, man,
Whoa. Oh.
that's
Okay.
cool.
That was really cool.
So it's one each. Oh, it's like a little Pocky challenge.
Maybe it'd be easier to do the pickup sticks or the pickup Pocky with these.
With these, yeah,
Mhm.
so true because they're bigger.
Oh my gosh.
This is what you would use to stir your tea or coffee, probably.
Oh my goodness, this is huge.
Cheers.
So, to compare it to a small one. Yeet.
Oh my gosh.
There's a small one, and then these are the big ones.
That's crazy.
Yes.
Okay.
So,
Cheers.
they're very sturdy.
They are sturdy.
They're like
Isn't
very.
that- Here. Oh! So sturdy.
They were very sturdy.
Until we hit them like 5 times.
Yeah.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers. So thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure you stay tuned to next week's video if you want to see what we do with this candy. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it to all of your candy lovers. Make sure to comment if you have any ideas of what you want us to do or any other candies that you want us to try.
And also comment your favorite flavor of Pocky.
Yeah.
So we can know on your favorite flavor combinations as well.
Yes. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye guys.